Your habits and actions have effects on your overall well-being, happiness and mood. The current situation you are in has been greatly determined by your past actions, habits and decisions. Investing time and energy, which just like money, are in finite supply. Investing in yourself can lead to a meaningful payoff too. And sometimes that payoff includes the accumulation of wealth. It's just a matter of application and making a plan. To that end, we will be listing 9 different ways to invest in yourself. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button. Number 9. Learn a new skill. The secret to success in anything you do in life is to never stop learning. Whether you've earned an advanced degree or you're just starting out in a new career, it's always important to continue to learn new skills. It's especially important to learn new skills that are transferable from one career to another. This ensures that you will remain marketable in an increasingly competitive economy. Take new courses or apply for online classes. Increase your knowledge of things that interest you. Number 8. Exercise regularly. Getting enough exercise every day is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. Daily exercise has been linked to more energy, more productivity, reduces stress, improve better memory and increase creativity. Exercise is the best way to maintain a healthy weight, improve focus, ward off diseases and combat mental health. Number 7. Get a mentor. Spending time with a mentor is one of the best investments you can make. If you are serious about investing in yourself and your future, find someone to mentor you, especially in a field you want to excel in. You will be surprised by how many experts are willing to share their knowledge and experience with you if you simply ask. In fact, you should seek multiple mentors, each with their own skill set. Finding someone to mentor you will help you avoid unnecessary mistakes that the mentor made in the past, afford you the opportunity to learn new skills and techniques. Number 6. Travel. Make the time and expend the effort to travel as often as you can, including internationally. Rather than spend money on stuff, save your money and use it to create travel experiences and memories, explore and have fun. You will learn a lot from traveling, especially outside of your comfort zone. You will learn new cultures, expose your palate to different types of food, and be immersed in a different language. It widens your perspective and makes you realize how the whole world is connected. Traveling also offers you a new and different perspective on life. Number 5. Get off debt. Debt is suffocating. It causes stress, prevents you from pursuing your dreams, can hold you back from taking risks in your career, and can effectively affect your relationships. It also costs a lot of money and can cause you to spend more than you can afford. If you're currently carrying debt, try and come up with a budgeting plan to get debt-free fast. The feeling of freedom you will experience from eliminating your debt can't be measured in dollars or cents, and that alone can give you peace of mind while sleeping. Number 4. Set goals. You may love them or hate them, but the truth is setting goals will help you. Goals also help clarify what you want. Setting a goal helps uncover what you truly want. Once you've set a goal, you can focus your attention and channel your energy to it. When it comes to setting a goal that is meaningful yet challenging enough to keep you motivated, your goal should be framed in a positive light rather than a negative light. For example, setting a goal that you will eat an apple every afternoon for a snack to lose weight is an approach goal, while setting a goal that you will avoid snacking on junk food to lose weight is an avoidance. Number 3. Drink less alcohol. There is nothing wrong with a glass or two of wine. There also is nothing wrong with occasionally indulging in a couple of beers or stronger spirits. But many people imbibe too much alcohol too frequently. Not only is it bad for your liver and overall health, it also clouds your judgment, lowers inhibition, and leads to making questionable decisions. And too much alcohol greatly diminishes your ability to be mindful and productive. It also is expensive and can even lead to a disaster. Number 2. Learn to cook. Eating is an activity that most people engage in at least 3 times per day over the course of their lifetime. Learning to cook healthy and delicious food is a great skill that you can apply in your life. Not only does it save you a lot of money, it also is fun and can be a bonding activity between your family and friends. It also teaches you patience. You do not have to learn to become a chef. You can learn to prepare your favorite foods at home and control the types of ingredients you use. Most prepared in restaurant foods are not healthy and include excessive fat and preservatives. Number 1 on the list is read books. Reading is a fantastic way to invest in yourself. It also is a relatively cheap activity and can even oftentimes cost nothing. According to 2011 Oxford study, reading books at age 16 is linked with getting a professional or managerial position later in life. With the advent of the Kindle, iPad and Nook, it is even easier to find great reading materials. Reading regularly has tremendous benefits. It stimulates your imagination, improves your vocabulary, increases your general knowledge, helps you relax, assists you in solving problems, and it can be tremendously entertaining. Reading can also help develop more empathy and compassion, which helps in the increase of tolerance for uncertainty, which can help you take more risks at work that might pay off in your career. If you liked our video, please do well to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button.